Hello and welcome. Now, this video we are going to set up an upsell on Google Analytics. And so what we're going to do is we're actually going to create another sales page and another download page. And in order to expedite things, we're just going to clone two pages and call them upsell sales page and upsell download page. So we now have an upsell page and we now have an upsell sales page. So now we're going to go to Google Analytics. Now the first thing we're going to do is to reconfigure our goal. So we're going to go into the admin area and we're going to go into the goal area. And now what we're going to do is click New Goal. Now we are still going to go with the pre-made template of making a payment, and then we're going to click Continue. And what we're going to do is we're just going to call this an upsell, and we're going to create a new destination. And then we'll click Continue. We're now going to write in our new download page. We're going to write in a value. And this time, we are actually going to turn on the funnel for our goal. So we're now going to write in the required steps for the goal. And we'll determine which of the steps are going to be required. We'll consider that the intermediate step, or the upsell sales page, is going to be a required step, and then on to the upsell download page. We have everything in our funnel. We're then going to click Save. So we have now set up our upsell page for Google Analytics. Now in the next video, we'll take a look at how you're going to measure performance of this funnel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.